Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It is a rainy, overcast Tuesday morning here in Georgia, and I couldn't be more excited. We have trucks everywhere. There's I'm sitting in a brand new Denali right now. It's that thunderstorm gray color GMC Sierra 1500. We're about to do a 4-inch BDS kit. This truck does have the adaptive ride control. I'm sure it has, I don't know if it has a Super Cruise, if it's not an Ultimate, but it's this lift kit works on the Denali Ultimate and the Denali. So if you have Super Cruise or you have the adaptive ride control, this BDS kit works with it. We're going 4 inches on 285 55 22, which is like a 34-inch tire, something like that. This is the conservative size that you can go with on these trucks, where you don't have to really cut a whole bunch. If you go up to the 295 55, it looks a little bit better, but you do have to trim a little bit more. So we are going to do the mud flap delete kit on this. I'm not sure if we're doing the sharp truck or the rough country mud flap delete kit yet. I'll have to look. This is I think Brandon did this sale. The customers drove all the way from Pennsylvania for this, and they just came and talked to me for a couple of minutes, and they just Ubered out of here. But seemed like really nice people. I wanted to say I appreciate you guys for driving this far to get a lift kit. It makes me feel really good whenever somebody does that for me. It's I mean, I know you're coming to get a lift kit for your truck, but you know, at some level, I feel like you came to see me, so I appreciate that. We're about to get out. Actually, I'm about to get out of the truck and show it to you, and then we're going to get it started, so stay tuned. I said I love the lighting in the overcast, rainy days because it just looks so much better. You know, I have to film the video, and then I have to edit the video, and I'll be honest with you, when you're editing a video that is filmed like this one, super low exposure, just looks really good. It's cleaner. It's cleaner on screen. It looks better on the TV. So this is a perfect day for this truck, this thunderstorm gray. I was having a discussion with the customer inside about it. So Chevy has slate gray metallic, and GMC has thunderstorm gray. I don't know if it's the same. It's probably just a hair different. I'm not really sure much more than that. I like both colors. It's like a flat gray. There are other manufacturers that have this color, or some variation of this color. You know, Dodge has it. I think Hyundai has it, but it's a really nice color. Today we're going to be putting the BDS kit on this truck. It's going to look nice. We're going to do some Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, 285 55 22s. We're going to keep that same wheel right there on the truck, and then we're going to come back with the mud flap delete kit right here, get rid of those so they don't touch. Everything should look really nice. We're going to do everything we can to get them on the road this afternoon and get it done in one day. The goal, guys, every time that we do an install is the first day. A lot of guys, you know, try to hold me to the first day or pay extra for the first day. Respectfully, we do everything we can to get it done. It's just all about how the cookie crumbles. You know, sometimes we have busier days, sometimes we have lighter days. Some days we have, you know, every single hand in the shop can be on your truck. Some days I have 10 trucks in the shop. So, you know, it's always the goal. And I think that we might get this one done today. So stay tuned and we'll see what we can do. we have our Thunderstorm Gray GMC Sierra 1500 Denali ready to go with that 4-inch BDS lift kit and the 34-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on the stock 22-inch wheels. Couldn't be happier with the truck. Looks amazing. Customers are in the office waiting for me to come back around there and ring them up, but they're headed back to Pennsylvania today. So got this truck started at 8 o'clock, and we're like, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They're back on the road now, it looks like. So couldn't be happier with the install. Couldn't be happier with the timing. I appreciate you guys for the opportunity, and stay tuned. I'm about to flip the camera around and show you the truck. So this truck is definitely unique. There's not a lot of them out here with this color and this trim. I don't know if I've seen this. I don't know if I've seen Thunderstorm Gray on a Denali before. I probably have at some point in the past, but I'm used to seeing it on like the AT4 maybe, or one of the other, like the Elevation package. I'm used to seeing it on that package. This with the chrome grille, I'm not going to say it. There's nothing about it that looks bad. I like the way it looks. It's just different. You don't see this color combo a lot. I do like when there's differences about trucks and not every one of them look exactly the same. The Nitto Ridge Grappler is always an amazing choice to go with on this truck. It's a very, very calm, smooth, quiet riding tire. It gets a lot of mileage too. This is our best-selling tire for the last probably 10 years straight. Very, very good setup. There's not really any trimming involved on the metal part of the bumper. We rounded off the plastic little valence right there just a little bit. On the back, we did this mud flap delete kit. It kind of looks like the mud flap that was there, except it doesn't have to be trimmed or anything. It just goes on, and now the tire clears completely. We have good clearance on our spindle right here. That's exactly what you want. There's the BDS cross member and the skid plate right there. If you look at the angle axle, it is next to flat. Actually, it's like perfectly flat. So you know there's never going to be a driveline vibration or issue with the axles on this truck. In the rear of the truck, what they do, since this truck has the electronic shocks and the magnetic ride control, they use a shock extension down there at the bottom, and they do a block at the spring. This lift kit does come with the upper control arms that do connect to the ride height sensor for the magnetic ride control in the front. The truck still maintains factory ride. There are no lights on the dash. Everything still drives right. If this truck would have had the Super Cruise, like I know the Denali Ultimate does have, it would also work. If you have any questions about this build, feel free to reach out in the comments and let me know. I will try to answer them the best I can. The best way to get a hold of me, though, is on the phone. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. And I appreciate you guys watching.